To avoid losing the leading zeros, so for instance, the 0 in front of section 01, you're going to first open Excel. Once you have Excel open, you're going to go to Data, and you're going to click the button that says From Text. Okay. Find the file on your computer. And click Import. It will bring up the text wizard. Click Next. And now instead of tab, you want to select comma. Click Next. And now you want to press the Shift key and select all of the columns that are there and text. That will set all of them to text, and it will keep the leading zeros, and select Finish.